Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So it's time for the Walgreens Ad Preview for the deals that are going to be going on the following week. So these deals are going to start on the 17th, this upcoming Sunday, and go through the following Saturday. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Consider hitting that subscribe button. My channel is all about money-saving tips and deals. I also do giveaways on my channel. I do have a huge giveaway coming up when I hit 10,000 subscribers. Couple hot videos I've already done this week. I finally got around to doing another Ibotta haul. So I posted that yesterday, wound up getting everything completely free and a lot of high value items. That copper tone was free at Walgreens. What else? I got razors, Chic Intuition razors, which I love. I used it last night. So that was super exciting. Check out my Ibotta haul if you haven't already. I've been seeing a lot of weekly essentials bonuses. If you don't know how to use Ibotta, there is a link in the description box for a video that I put together on how to use that app, all the different features of it, and how to get the rebates, bonuses, so on and so forth. Also, there is an amazing deal going on the current week for Listerine that I posted on my Instagram. Shout out to Sherry's Aquatic Haven. She is the one that brought me the deal and sent it to me. So I posted it on my Instagram and I wanted to make sure I shared it in this video as well. You can get Listerine completely free with a $5 gift card from Listerine.com. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely head over, find Bree the Coupon Queen, and follow me there. I do post some additional deals that I'll find throughout the week. Any new hot rebates or anything like that, I'll post it on my Instagram. So let's go ahead and get started for next week's ad so we know what deals we can prepare for. We have the Scott paper towels, Scott toilet paper, and the Kleenex multi-pack. They are $3.75 with a $1.25 coupon. So that $1.25 coupon is going to be an IVC coupon, which means it's a Walgreens store coupon. You can find those in your app. Any coupon that says with card, that's going to be a Walgreens coupon. Or you can pick them up in the Walgreens Book of Savings, which is going to be located at the front of the store right next to the weekly ads. You can also print some coupons on scottbrand.com that you can use. It's usually 50 cents to $1 off on each of these items, so that can make for a really hot deal. We have Nice Brand $5.99 for their cashews, almonds, trail mix. Instant coffee $3.99 with card. We have Coca-Cola products, 3 for $10.99. That's not a bad deal. I have seen them as low as 3 for $9.99, but even still, those are 12 packs. So that is a lot of soda for just $11. So if you want to pick up some soda, if you need to stock up, definitely you can grab it at Walgreens. We are getting $1 off coupons in the Sunday paper for all detergent. It's going to work on Snuggle Care as well. Typically, when these coupons come out, we'll get some good deals at Dollar General as well. So check that out. Doritos and Lay's, $1.88. That is a really good deal. I literally just bought some yesterday in my Walmart Ibotta haul. It wasn't included in the Ibotta haul, but I needed chips, and I paid $2.98 for them at Walmart. So definitely a hot deal grabbing them at Walgreens next week if you can hold off. Pepsi products, same deal. I love Pepsi. That is my absolute favorite. 3 for $10.99. 7-Up, Canada Dry A&W, 3 for $7.99. That is a really good deal. Still love a good root beer float, so that might be something I look into. Arm & Hammer, buy one, get one free. A lot of times we'll get them for $1.99. We have whole blends, Garnier whole blends for just $1.99. That is a great deal, and it tracks towards Walgreens Beauty. We have Crest and Oral-B Dental. They are going to be on sale 2 for $8. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $2 register reward. So the only way that would be a good deal is if we still have like a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. We've been getting a ton of hot, high value digital coupons. So we'll just have to check the expiration dates. Most of mine are showing they expire in 3 days. There is a 5 off of 3 that shows it expires at the end of the month. So that might be a deal that we can put together. I'll have to let you know in my must-do deals video. We have Kellogg's and Fruit Loops. They are going to be $1.99. 50-cent coupon makes them just $1.49. Most of the time that is a digital as well, which is awesome. Bounty Essentials, just $3.99 with a $1 off coupon. Not a bad deal. I'm starting to see some paper towel products in stores, but still no toilet paper. So if you find it, still gold. Still haven't seen any Lysol, Clorox, Lysol wipes, kind of anything cleaner wise or sanitation wise. I have been seeing some hand sanitizer though, so that's good as well. We have Pampers, $8.99 and $10 bonus when you buy 4. Not the best. We'll have to see if we have any of those Pampers 3 off of 2 coupons still available. The ones in the app expire at the end of the month. So there is a 3 off of 2 Swaddlers and a 3 off of 2 Easy Ups. So if you buy 2 of each, that could be a really good deal. And you're getting $10 back. So this is definitely going to be in my must-do deals video. Make sure you stay tuned on my channel. I will try to have that up. Usually have those up Thursday or Friday. L'Oreal, buy one, get one half off. That is awesome. Oh, it's on Face and Eye. I have a bonus still that I haven't used yet for 6,000 points when you buy 2 L'Oreal Paris lip. So I'm waiting for them to go on buy one, get one half off. But this is just for Face and Eye next week. Flonase, $5 register reward when you buy 2. Bud Light, $5 mail-in rebate. That prints on your receipt. So check your receipt when you leave. If it didn't print, ask your cashier. Sometimes they'll just give you $5 cash back. Sometimes they'll give you points back. Just depends. So just make sure if it doesn't print, just get with the manager, see what they can do for you. Cheez-Its, Fudge Stripes. I love these. I think they're so good. They're just $1.99. Not a bad deal. Fairlife, we drink this in my house a lot. I think at Walmart, though, they're like $2.98 or something. They're really cheap at Walmart. So Walmart is still the best bet, but still not some bad savings. 2 for $7 makes them $3.50 each. So you're saving $1 when you buy 2. Okay, let's keep going. Another one, it's going to be spend 20, get 10 times everyday points. I have another spend 30, get 6,000 points paper booster. Those do stack, so I might put together a deal for next week on that. Just depends if I can get some good register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket cost. 2 for $4 Welch's fruit snacks. I might have to stack up on those. I try not to eat them, but we get them for my boyfriend's daughter, and I have no self-control when it comes to gummies. So when they're in the house, they are not in the house for long. So maybe I'll grab some, maybe not. Last time I got this deal, actually you still have the products, which is kind of embarrassing, but I love buffalo chicken dip. We just haven't had an occasion to make it yet. But 2 for $5, that is an amazing deal. So if you have ranch at the house, you can spend $5, get a Frank's Red Hot and some chicken, put some cheese on it, shove it in the microwave or in a crock pot. Really, really good deal. Okay, keep going, keep going. Jell-O, 2 for $1 pudding as well. I love pudding and Jell-O. I think they're good. And that would be a really good filler item if you're needing a cheap item to use an additional register reward so it can attach. That's not a bad deal there. Organic soup, organic chili, 2 for $4. DiGiorno, 2 for $10. We had a Red Baron pizza the other day. It was literally the best frozen pizza I've ever had. I don't know why when I cook the DiGiornos at the house, the crust like never crisps, and I don't know, I'm probably doing it wrong, but the Red Baron was amazing. So I might grab another one next week. What else? 3 for $4 for Reese's, Kit Kat. I'm going to be stocking up on some candy. My anniversary with my boyfriend is today, actually. So we're going to be celebrating it on Friday. And I have a really cute idea planned. So after the anniversary, so that he doesn't see it, I'll try to post it on my Instagram for you guys if you want to see. $1.99 Fiji or Snapple juices. Love those. Those are good. 4 for $5 Pringles and a $1 off online coupon. With card and a $1 off. Okay, so they're probably 4 for $6. Then when you use the coupon, they're 4 for $5, which is a really good deal. Gevalia Coffee and McCafe and Dunkin' K-Cups, all $4.99 next week, which is a really good deal. In store, they're like $9.50 or something. They're so expensive, and we're actually running out of coffee right now. So I might have to go before I can wait for these deals. CVS is always a good place, especially if you have a 2 off of 8 coffee, tea, breakfast, something like that, CRT. Okay, this is going to be a great deal, and last time I checked, the Ibotta rebate is still available. So they're 89 cents each. There's a buy 4, get 2 free digital coupon, and it is going to be in the Sunday paper. So sometimes you just have to watch when it rings up. Sometimes the buy 4, get 2 free coupon like makes the pricing weird. So just double check, make sure that you're only getting charged for 4 of them. Let me see if it renews it. It's still available on Ibotta. I'll have to double check, but that could be a really good deal. Febreze, $2.99. Black Forest and Haribo, 2 for $2. That's a good deal. Gain, I always say the best place to get Gain products is either CVS when they do the PG deal, or Dollar General or Family Dollar when you're doing a 5 off of 25 deal. This is back, which is an amazing deal. $4.99. I think we have $2 coupons and $2 back. So that is a really, really good deal. And there's no limit that I'm seeing posted, so can probably do that a couple times. Just make sure you're obviously not clearing off the shelves so others can take advantage of the deals as well. Dawn is also 99 cents, another good filler item. Nice storage bags are going to be buy 1, get 2 free again, which is awesome, or the complete home bags. We have aluminum foil or the Smile paper plates, just 99 cents. There is a limit of 3, and you have to show them this coupon, which is going to be in the weekly ad. Can always grab one up front. $1.99 Simply Lemonade. Love Simply Lemonade, and like the peach lemonade, strawberry lemonade, all of that. Absolutely love it. So that's a really good deal as well. Let's keep going. 7th Generation, 2 for $5. Never actually used those. Let me know, drop a comment. Let me know if you've used 7th Generation, if you like those products, kind of how you feel about them. Gift cards, graduation gifts, things like that. Nothing else too crazy. Okay, $5 register reward when you buy any 2 participating products, so Almay or Revlon. We have $2 off Maybelline lip coupons. Wet n Wild is 30% off and $1 back when you buy 2. And Wet n Wild products are usually pretty cheap. I think the cheapest item is like $3, and then it'll be 30% off. There's no other coupons or anything, but I use some Wet n Wild products. They're pretty decent. This is going to be a really good deal. So there's a $1 off coupon online or in store. That is $1 off of each. So that'll take off another $2. Final cost is just $1 each for some Garnier Fructis. So that's a good deal as well. Still no money back on this. I keep waiting and crossing my fingers that these will be the 2 for $12 buy 4 get 4,000 points, because I still have that 8 off of 4 Old Spice body wash coupon, or digital coupon, but no luck this time. Dove, buy 1 get 1 half off, and 4,000 points when you buy 4. Hopefully they're super nice to us, give us a great digital coupon that we can use. Some Schick coupons online. Colgate is going to be $2.99 or $2.49 with a 50-cent coupon, and a $4 register reward when you buy 2. So not the worst deal. Final cost will be 50 cents each, which is better than the current week for sure. What else? Gillette disposable razors, $3 register reward when you buy 2. Another deal on Listerine. Okay, so next week I'm definitely going to do this deal. I'll post it in my must-do deals with that Listerine.com. I think it goes all the way through July. From what I was reading, it can only be 1 submission per receipt. I think you can submit up to 3 times. Not 100% sure though. I have to reread it. So all the information will be in my must-do deals video, but you can get them completely free. So that is going to be a really hot deal for next week as well. These look really cool. I've never seen them before. Spend 20, get $10 back, so 10,000 points. More Flonase, Zyrtec. We always get deals on these every single week, which is great because as you can see, the prices on these are so expensive. What else? Playtech Sport, buy one, get one half off. $3 off 2 digital. And when you spend 15, you'll get a $3 register reward. Check Ibotta. There were a lot of feminine care rebates. So definitely check Ibotta always. See if there's anything else you can grab. $4 off with card, Dulcolax or Miralax if you need any stool softeners. And that is it. So if you haven't checked out my Ibotta haul, definitely click this video here. Check it out. Tons of great rebates going on right now. If you have any questions, of course, drop a comment, let me know. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me, and I will see you guys next time.